Hi, this is Brian Daniel. Did you know a rich and meaningful digital experience is the key to effective customer engagement in today's integrated and digital world? Let's take a very quick look at how IBM's Digital Experience Manager helps you do this. The first is IBM Digital Experience enables you to infuse cognitive experiences. These cognitive experiences can be infused from both a site manager or customer perspective. Take this for example where I need to create a new section of the site around a new Sleek Fit offering. I can simply start to work with Watson. How can I help you today? Well, I need to create a page. Now, through this conversation, Watson is guiding me through a specific task. I want to introduce the new Sleek Fit and how it promotes healthy lifestyles. I want to name the page Sleek Fit for Your Health. Now Watson is taking a look at specific pages and their tags, trying to match up what I'm asking versus what it has. And it looks like it's found a page template named Health Topic, and it's described as a template for introducing a new health-related topic. Okay, and it's asking, would you like me to actually create a page? Sure, Watson, let's go ahead. Save me some time. Now, once the page is created, the Digital Experience Manager doesn't leave me with a blank slate. Through the out-of-the-box templates, I'm able to start with an initial landing page, and if I do need to make some changes and move the page around into site structure, I can quickly do that through the built-in Site Manager. In addition, we have true inline editing, so it's just as simple as me pointing and clicking and typing in and updating the text as I need. But another way that cognitive experiences are infused is from the author perspective. So here you can see I've started to enter in some content, and through the Watson services that's built into our new TextBox IO editor, Watson is able to suggest related videos that might be relevant to my content. But more importantly, Watson is able to provide some tone analysis to ensure that I am delivering the right tone that I intend to deliver to my audiences. Uh-oh, it looks like something there might be too assertive or too arrogant, and that might be nice for me to know so I could adjust my wording accordingly. Now, in addition, let's go ahead and change the banner to something more relevant. Now, this offering is something that's coming from our new Watson Content Hub capabilities. Watson Content Hub leverages Watson to automatically tag our content and assets. So now I can simply just search for sleek, fit, and healthy. And here are the images that Watson believed were related to the sleek, fit, and healthy lifestyle. So it looks like I found one that looks great. I'll go ahead and select it, although it looks like a square type of shape. But not to worry, because Watson Content Hub has some built-in capabilities to deliver different image profiles or renditions. The correct image profile shows up perfectly fine on my page. Now, what you just saw was cognitive experiences from an authoring perspective. Here's an example through a feedback form where these experiences can be infused for your end users. In this feedback form, a customer is providing some feedback, and instead of just accepting the feedback as is, it's being passed through the sentiment analysis, and it looks like Watson decides that this is a positive sentiment, and we can act accordingly. If the user looks like it's positive, feeling good about the site, in this case, we're directing them to share their experiences, turning them into a loyal advocate. If it was something that was negative, then maybe we might have chosen to start a chat or reached out to them or maybe even sent them a targeted promotion to help change that tone that they might be exhibiting. Now, in the second part, IBM Digital Experiences blends content and applications together in a seamless way. And now, while content is king, while content tells a story and images inspire and videos immerse, being able to blend applications together on the page creates that integrated experience. You can see we had a number of different components for something such as web server commerce. Just simply going into the site manager and dragging and dropping that component onto the page allows me to automatically and instantly start to surface up some commerce related products onto the page. Now, since I'm talking about the sleek fit, wouldn't it be nice for me to simply show the sleek fit related products? And that's quite easy because we're using some of the content templating engines. I can browse the commerce catalog in real time, select my specific products, hit save, and because we are bringing in this data from the backend system and treating it like content, we can start to supplement this product data with our own personalized content. This also includes changing how it looks and feels. So if I move my mouse over a product, it doesn't really do anything, but I can simply choose to change the rendering style, maybe something such as a rating or a flip card. And now, when I move my mouse over these products, I have a different style that it renders in. Now that was an example of our digital data connector, which brings in data from a backend and treats it like content. Here's an example where I might drag another component onto the page, and this is showing how we could blend in rich front-end applications into the experience. So if you're doing something with like Angular or React or any other JavaScript framework, the Digital Experience Manager fully supports those frameworks and allows you to blend those applications onto the page just like you would content. In Part 3, the IBM Digital Experience reaches users through multiple touchpoints and includes a mobile browser simulator for verifying the newly created page. But this isn't the only touchpoint. Here's an example where a touchpoint might include a virtual concierge, such as Pepper the robot.
The new SleekFit 3.0 model was recently launched and will help you run like never before. Would you like to learn more?
Yes, I would.
Great. I'm bringing up additional information about the SleekFit 3.0 on my tablet.
That looks great. Looks like the page I've just created has been found by Pepper the robot and is being presented to me. Now in Part 4, the IBM Digital Experience shares its behavioral data with other IBM Watson customer engagement offerings. The behavior or event information can be sent to offerings such as the analytics, customer experience analytics, and even the IBM Marketing Cloud via the UBX or Universal Behavior Exchange integration. And making that happen is just as easy as going into the IBM Universal Behavior Exchange, selecting the IBM Digital Experience endpoints and the events that I'm interested in, such as viewing an element or viewing a landing page or viewing when a user clicks on a product, and sending those behavioral events to the respective destinations. Why would this be useful? Well, if a user is viewing a specific product, I might want to know that and create a profile for that user within my marketing cloud so I could send some targeted promotions to that user. Well, thanks a lot, and feel free to reach out to me, Brian D, Bryand, at us.ibm.com for any questions.